Hi everyone, new day, new experience. So for today's video, we're gonna try this famous Dubai chocolate, but this time it is made from Lindt. So we bought this one today around $20. I never tried the original Dubai chocolate, but because here in Australia they already produce a Lindt one. So let's see. So it is 145 grams with milk chocolate with pistachio. So it's gonna open it. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's 10 pieces square. And just gonna try it and check everything. I hope it's worth the $20 here. So here we go. Alright, sorry. So here we go. Not much, but look. Crunchy, you will taste the pistachio, but I think it's not much yung the middle one. It's more on still chocolate. Nope. Here, not much. Unless we have a look per piece. Okay. So it's really in the middle of each boxes. So good, tastes nice. I eat more chocolate. I could taste more chocolate than the pistachio there. And that's all.